Hello guys! Good morning to all people! Ubanli ko guys, magpakaon sa BB Twins. So karon ang mangura kong pagkaon ani kay ang maguwang wala man naglaag-laag pa. Iyaw ko nitan. Nirikita ta. So, di pakanon ni sinikatan guys.
Paano masabi?
Ayaw ko nitatan. Mao na siya guys. Oh, banik guys, magpakaon sa bata guys. So for content today is paiting.
What?
No guys, so banik ko sa kong content no guys, magpakaon ng bata. Ang akong anak na. Wow! Mana ni guys, na ako panigili ko siya una human. Bisa naman pagkaon. So, bugaw yung kaon guys, bugaw siya. Bugaw. Okay siya guys, mukaon na siya, rice, kanon. Karon kay murag unto naman siya. Mao na nga. Bugaw na siya yung pagkaon na mo. Mao na guys, so bani ko guys. Bani ko sa pagkakaon sa BB Kids. Ayaw, god ne, tatan! Dilalim magati manong bata di guys no, dilalim gidi ay pero pagkaon. Sigayon baning di pagkaon buti lihuka. Lihok yung guys sa tanan guys. Sumama siya guys. Lihok yung guys, oh lihok sa tanan. Na lihok sa tanan. Lihok sa tanan pagkaon bataa. The wheels in the bus run, 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 run. The wheels in the bus round and round, run and round. The doors in the bus open and shut, open and shut. Open and shut. The doors in the bus open and shut. The town, the wipers in the bus, swish, 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 swish. The wipers in the bus, swish, swish, swish. The town. The signals in the bus, bling, 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 bling. The signals in the bus, bling, bling, bling. Oh, the town.
What?
The beep in the bus, beep, 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 beep.
What?
The beep in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Oh, the town. The motors in the bus. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. The motor in the bus. Boom, boom, boom. The town. The wheels in the bus. Up and down, up and down, up and down. The wheels in the bus. Up and down. The town. Simula sa guys, pag-ingaw guys, kantahan nyo sa guys para di ma... So, dinhin lang takotog guys, kay